What's up, you guys? It's Andrea and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing this little look right here. It is super simple, super easy, but it has that pop of fall color with a little bit of like summer because we're still transitioning into fall, you know. And I try out a bunch of new products. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So to start off this look, I'm going to start with a little bit of skin TLC and use the Budesco skincare in aloe vera, cucumber, and green tea, and just do a couple spritz on my face. While I do my eyebrows and eyeshadows, it'll set in. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Iconic London for my eyebrows like always. So I'm going to go ahead, do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. So eyebrows are on, and we're going to go ahead and start with the eyes. Today's eye look is going to be featuring the new Violet Voss Essentials palette. Well, actually, I'm not sure if it's new, but it's new to me because I got it in this month's Boxy Charm. We're going to start off by priming our eyes with the P.Louise base. Finally was able to get my hands on this. It is now available at Morphe stores and Morphe.com, and I was so happy to hear that because your girl was not out here trying to wait for this to come from the UK and pay shipping and all that fun stuff. So now I can go to Morphe and get it myself. This is the P.Louise base. So I've actually never used this before. It says like a first impressions. I'm gonna go ahead, put a little bit on my hand and just take it from my hand and put it on my eye because I know that it is actually very pigmented. All right, so we're gonna take our P.Louise base. Let's see how life-changing this base actually is. I'm first gonna dip into sand and apply this in my transition area. All right, now I'm going to take cinnamon and deepen it up. Next, we're actually gonna just lightly cut this crease again using the P.Louise base. Alright, now we're gonna dip into Plumberry. Take Plumberry and blend it into cinnamon. I'm going to take a smaller detailed brush and fill in the inner corner. Now we're just going to dip into pink. Now using Plumberry and pink, we're going to go back and forth between both to blend them in together. With our fluffy brush, we're gonna take sand one more time. I went ahead and added a little bit of cream between Plumberry and pink to add a little bit more of an iridescent and brightening effect to the eyes, and it also helps kind of blend them together. Now with the smaller detailed blending brush, go into cinnamon and define. With a clean blending brush, just blend it up. Ooh, I did it! Oh, I'm so excited! Oh. Okay, Sorry, I wasn't talking. I literally cannot breathe while I'm doing my liquid liner. So, wow. Anyway, so this was the first time I've tried this Hank & Henry Slick With It eyeliner. This is in Blickety Black, and it looks very nice. Only thing is, I don't know, I think there might be a little bit of feathering, but I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's go ahead and do my other eye off of camera, because now the problem is, how do I match them? I don't know, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I did my other eye. I don't know exactly if they're even, but it's fine. We're just gonna leave it like that. I'll clean up those edges a little bit once I do my base makeup, which we are moving on to next. Okay, so primer, very normal. For my sponge, I'm gonna be trying out the new ColourPop Pretty Fresh blending sponge. This is from their Pretty Fresh collection. So it's just so cute. It's a cute little peach sponge. We're gonna go ahead, wet this, and see how good it works. Okay, so at first glance, it feels super spongy, like more spongy than any of the sponges that I've tried. I've tried the Real Techniques, the Morphe, the Beauty Blender, non-name brand, and this is like super squishy, like in a weird way, kind of. I don't know. It feels nice, so I feel like it definitely is the softest one. Let's go ahead and apply my foundation. So I'm gonna be mixing the CYO because it's like a little darker, and the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm gonna mix these two together. First, apply my foundation with a brush. So I like applying it first and then like blending it in with a sponge. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try out the ColourPop sponge. So first glance, let me zoom into my mirror here. It feels great on the skin, that's for sure. Like, it feels amazing and super soft. It looks like it blended out everything beautifully. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Light 14. I think this is my shade. I used to have a Light 10. That was a little too light. This looks like it's still a little bit too light, but it's fine. I went a little darker with the foundation today, so they did change their packaging. It used to not be matte like it is now. It's doing a great job at blending out everything so far. But we're all nice and blended. We're gonna go ahead and set our face. Okay, so we're gonna work on our lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with Emerald. Now we're gonna do the Zoella and ColourPop collaboration. This is also a new product. I haven't tried this before. Moving on to our face. Chromatic highlighter. Let's pop on some eyelashes, mascara, and finish off this look. Okay, so for my lashes today, I'm gonna be going in with these beautiful full mink lashes. Thank you so much to Slay Bella brand for sending these over to me. I'm gonna go ahead, pop these on, and we'll finish off with some mascara and lipstick. Okay, so for my lips, I did a cute little combo with a brown lip liner, the Quickie Luxe lipstick from ColourPop, and the Buxom gloss. And it just turned out to be this beautiful nude, light nude, overlined lips combo. So I also picked up this one from ColourPop. This is also from the new Pretty Fresh line, and it is the Hyaluronic Acid Setting Spray. This is what it looks like. The mist on this is life-changing, refreshing and beautiful. It smells like coconuts and I love it. Hyaluronic acid is amazing for the skin and it just gives a beautiful set to the face. Okay you guys, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe in the red button down below, and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss when I post my next video. Love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!